How to make Google Maps default on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and tap on Apps. Here, tap on the Default Apps option and further scroll down and tap on the Browser app option and then tap on the Mail or Google Chrome option you see there. Also, go ahead and tap on the email option and select Gmail option you see there. And now open the Gmail application on your device and tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings option you see there. Here, scroll down under General and you will see the default apps option. Tap on that and then tap on the Google Maps option and check the Google Maps option and tap on Done. And with this, Google Maps will be your default maps on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.